In any relationship, especially in marriage, taking a mental break can be essential during stressful times. While it's sometimes necessary to disengage from your husband when he's in a bad mood, especially since angry individuals can be hard to reason with, it's crucial to avoid making this a long-term strategy, as it may become toxic over time. If your husband is upset, consider ignoring the provocation and responding minimally to avoid escalating the situation. However, if his anger becomes a regular occurrence, addressing the underlying issues directly is vital. When conflicts arise late at night, it may be best to go to bed rather than argue, allowing both of you to approach the situation with a clearer mindset in the morning. Additionally, accepting minor bad habits and focusing on distraction can help you cope. If you need space, maintain polite, formal communication and provide short responses to signal your need for distance, ensuring that he understands your feelings without resorting to the silent treatment.